So this is the turbine taken out of the faulty unit, and this is a new turbine. The flow turbines, they should rattle, and if you blow in it, the turbine will actually spin very easily. You can easily pull the turbine apart and that's a new turbine. The water turbine taken out of the returned unit has got a white sticky substance on the outside of the casing. The turbine doesn't rattle, so the turbine isn't moving inside the casing, and blowing into it, it doesn't turn at all. This is what we found. You can take the end off the casing, and this is what we found inside the turbine.